Let us start. Come to sitting position. Put Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Relax. Let us chant Omkara 3 times. Inhale. 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 Repeat after me. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Munina Patanjalim Pranjalim Anatosmi Nityam Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Take both hands behind your back. Hold right wrist with left palm. Inhale and go back. Exhale, bend forward. Pay your respects to mother, parents, teachers, God, and Guru. Slowly inhale and come back. Put Namaskar Mudra. Good morning. Welcome to Yoga Jyoti Yoga classes. Come to sitting Dandasana. Legs straight, body straight. Keep the palms by the side of the body. Relax your feet. Feet forward, backward, 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 forward, backward. Move your feet left to right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Rotate your feet in circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to standing position. Stand up. Come to standing position. Stand up. Inhale and take your hands above your head. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, take your hands above your head, straighten. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, take your hands above your head, straighten. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, take your hands above your head, straighten. Exhale, bring the hands down. Sidewise bending. Inhale, take your right hand above your head. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Right hand up. Inhale, take your right hand above your head. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Keep both hands in front, palms facing down. Inhale. Exhale, twist and look back. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist and look back, other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist and look back. 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 Inhale, center. Bring the hands down. Exhale. Now, stand with your feet about shoulder length apart. Throw your both the hands sideways upwards. Bring it down, this side up. Exhale. This side up. Exhale. Exhale. Side to side. Throw your hands. Exhale. 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 1 second. Hello. Madam, we are having class now. I don't know whether actually come up. I think some of them are attending. Yes. Okay. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Take your hands horizontal. Inhale. Exhale. Bend laterally towards left side and touch left ankle with left palm. Inhale. Straighten. Exhale. Bend laterally towards right side. Touch right ankle with right palm. Inhale. Straighten. Okay. Now we will do couple of rounds of this. Little bit faster. Inhale. Exhale. 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 inhale, exhale, 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 inhale. Stop. Bring both the feet together. Inhale, take your hands, both the hands above your head, bend backwards. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, exhale. 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 Inhale, stop. Exhale, bring the hands down. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meters apart. Take your hands horizontal. Inhale. Now half exhale and bend half forward. Further exhale, twist and touch left feet with right palm. Half inhale, come to half bend. Further inhale, straighten. Other side. Exhale, half bend. Further exhale, twist and touch right feet with left palm. Inhale, half bend. Further inhale, straighten. Let us do a few rounds of this. Inhale, exhale, exhale, inhale, 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 Inhale. Stop. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Bend your left knee. Hold it with both the hands. Press the knee against your chest. Raise your upper portion up. Try to touch forehead to the knee. Rotate the right leg in a big circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straighten your left leg. Relax. Bend your right knee. Hold it with both the hands. Press your right knee to the chest. Rise your upper portion up. Try to touch forehead to the knee. Rotate your left leg in a big circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it down. Bend both the knees. Hold it with both the hands. Press the knees against your chest. Rise your upper portion up. Hold the position. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straighten yourself. Relax. Bring both the feet together. Take your hands above your head. Bring both the feet 90 degrees. Hold the position. Breathe normally. Keep the legs at 90 degrees position till I count 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly drop it down, relax. Bring the hands down, relax. Turn onto your stomach, onto your stomach. Turn onto your stomach. Lie down on your stomach. Keep the feet flat. Chin on the ground. Keep your palms on the ground near your chest. Now, inhale and raise your upper portion up from the waist. Straighten your elbows. Rise up upper portion up. Bhujangasana. Breathe normally. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it down. Slowly drop it down. Keep your palms below your thighs. Keep your palms below your thighs. Bring the feet together. Now, inhale and rise both the legs up from the waist. Chin on the ground. Exhale and drop it down. Again, rise both the feet up from the waist. Exhale and drop it down. One more time. Inhale and rise both the feet up. Exhale and drop it down. Relax. Come to standing position. Stand up. Take a break for 1 minute. Wet your throat with a little sip of water if you want. Okay. Let us do Dand Baitak. Keep your hands in front of you. Make a fist. Keep your feet slightly wider than your shoulders. Sit down and get up. Do 10 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring the hands down, relax. Let us do Sadharan Dand. Come to Parvatasana. Inverted V shape. On your feet and palms. Middle portion up. Like a mountain. Parvata means mountain. Mountain posture. From this posture, go down, bend your elbows, go down and come to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Upper portion up, lower portion down. From this position, come back to Parvatasana. Okay. Now do as many rounds as possible. Let us do 5 rounds now today. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to standing position. Relax. Let us do Surya Namaskar. Come to one side of the mat. Put Namaskar Mudra. Relax. Let us chant. Let us pay our respects to Surya Narayana, giver of light, giver of energy. Narayana in the form of Surya. Ekam. Take your hands above your head, bend backwards. Ardha Chakrasana. Dve. Bend forward. Touch your toes. Padahastasana. Trini. Keep your palms besides your feet. Take your right feet back. Right knee on the ground. Ashwasanchalanasana. Chatvari. Take your left feet back. Join with your right feet. Body like a straight line. Dandasana. Plank position. Pancha. Keep your knees on the ground. Sit back. Shashankasana. Shat. Come forward. Touch your chest and chin on the ground. Sashtanga Pranam. Sapta. Rise your upper portion up. In Urdhva Svanasana. On your toes and palms. Knees in the air. Urdhva Svanasana. Upward looking dog. Ashta. Rise your middle portion up. On your palms and feet. Inverted V shape. Parvatasana or Adho Svanasana. Downward looking dog. Nava. Keep your knees on the ground. Sit back. Shashankasana. Dasha. Bring your right feet forward near your right palm. Ashwasanchalanasana. Horse riding posture. Chatvari, Ekadasha. Bring the left feet forward, bend forward, touch your toes. Padahastasana. Dwadasha. Ardha Chakrasana. Take your hands above your head, bend backwards. Ardha Chakrasana. Come back to Sthiti. Release and relax. This is one Surya Namaskar. Second round. Put Namaskara Mudra. Ekam. Take your hands above your head, bend backwards. Ardha Chakrasana. Dve, bend forward, touch your toes. Padahastasana. Trini, keep your palms beside your feet. Take your right leg back, right knee on the ground. Ashwasancharanasana, horse riding posture. Chatwari, take your left feet back, join with your right feet, body like a straight line, plank position, Dandasana. Pancha, keep your knees on the ground, sit back, Shashankasana. Shat, Sashtanga Pranam. Touch your chest and chin on the ground. 2 toes, 2 knees, 2 palms, chest and chin. 8 places touching the ground. Sa Ashta Anga Pranam. Sapta, rise your upper portion up on your toes and palms, knees in the air. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward looking dog. Ashta, rise your middle portion up, inverted V shape. Make sure your heels are touching the ground. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Downward looking dog. Nava, keep your knees on the ground, sit back. Shashankasana. Dasha, bring the right feet forward near your right palm. Ashwasancharanasana. Ekadasha, bring the left feet forward, join with your right feet, bend forward, touch your toes. Padahastasana. Dwadasha, rise up. Take your hands above your head, bend backwards. Ardha Chakrasana. Release and relax. We have completed 2 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Let us do 3rd round. Put Namaskara Mudra. Ekam Ardha Chakrasana. Dve Padahastasana. Trini Ashwasancharanasana. Chatwari Dandasana. Pancha Shashankasana. Shat Sashtanga Pranam. Sapta Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Ashta Adho Mukha Svanasana. Nava Shashankasana. Dasha Ashwasancharanasana. एकादश पादहस्तासन, द्वादश अर्धचक्रासन. Release and relax. Relax in Shitila Tadasana, legs apart, hands by the side of the body, palms facing the front, eyes closed, neck back. Relax. Relax. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Legs apart, heels facing each other, hands by the side of the body, palms facing roof, eyes closed, face smiling. Relax. Shavasana, dead body posture. Lie down like a dead body. Relax. Turn to the right. Keep your left palm on the ground. With the help of left palm, come to sitting position. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Now we will do Bhastrika Pranayama. Inhale and take your both the hands above your head, palms outstretched. Exhale, bring the hands down and make a fist. We have to do it little bit faster. Inhale, take your hands above your head, expand your palms. Exhale, bring the hands down, make a fist. Okay, let us do it. Inhale, exhale, 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 inhale, exhale. Continue. Stop. Sit silently, close your eyes, relax. Let us do Udgi. Keep your palms, Omkara chanting. Keep your palms on your knees, index finger touching the thumb, palms facing upwards. Close your eyes, relax. Keep your spine relaxedly straight, not rigid. Keep it relaxedly straight. Let us chant Omkara few times. Chant Omkara with sacredness, respect and devotion. Bhakti. Devotion towards Parabrahma, Paramatma, Narayana, Supreme Being. Omkara sound starts from navel center and travels all the way to top of the head, Sahasrara. At the end of Omkara, there is a silence and peace. Enjoy the silence and peace. Silence and peace is the prasada of God. I will say inhale, you inhale, and then we will chant Omkara together. Inhale. 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 Sit silently. Enjoy the peace and silence. Namaskar mudra. Repeat after me. Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Keep your hands in blessing posture. Bless the world, bless the universe. Repeat after me. Lokah samastah sukhino bhavantu. Hold your hands, pray to God. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Repeat after me. I am not the body. I am not the mind. I am not the intellect. I am pure consciousness. Shivaswarupi. Shivoham. 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 Repeat after me. We will practice yoga daily for a healthy body, peaceful mind, and a clear intellect. We will practice yoga for our self-realization and helping others achieve self-realization. Hari Om Tat Sat. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. If you have any questions, you can ask me.